Hey, good afternoon. I'm Sean Mashinter with Empire Machinery and Tools. Today we're looking at a piece of used equipment we've gotten through our service area. It's a 10-foot 14 gauge capacity Schechtl model MSB 300 shear. Cycles at 35 strokes per minute. We've had a new set of shear blades installed, so it cuts beautifully burr-free on the material. Has a front operated telescoping front support arm, 30-inch squaring arm. Has a rear operated manual 30-inch back gauge, and we'll cycle it here so you can hear how well it runs. Electrics on the shear are 575 volt 3-phase. To find more information about the shear, check out our website at www.empire-machinery.com and you look up stock number 9290.